Hello, welcome to Zero Romeo Adventures. Tomorrow we're gonna go clamming, so I'm gonna put together a new video so that y'all can see all the things that it takes to go do this fun stuff. Anyways, we're in the garage here. We haven't used the plane all winter long. Got new tires, cargo pods back on it. And now for our first fly out, we have to get all the survival gear, tent, sleeping bags, and all that other stuff. All right, watch me work.
We are getting ready to go clamming. We got all of our clam gloves right here. Well, some of them. We're gonna hopefully fill up at least 2 of these 5-gallon buckets.
I'm still looking for more gloves. Can't find the gloves. I'm sure I hid them for myself somewhere. I want to keep looking. 2 heat guns. I think that's 2 of like the 5 we own. Another heat gun. Gotta get the extra tufts. Never did find the gloves, so we're gonna go down to the store and find some new ones. Only found 2. Maybe they're in the camper. I don't know. All right,
It's quick and easy.
we found some gloves. AIH for the win. Good morning. It's 6:30. Cooking breakfast. So we gotta get out the door to catch that low tide. Okay, you ready to go clamming?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do if you misbehave? All right, everybody's doing the bathroom break. Tired, Hunter?
Hello. Scared.
Tanner's getting shotgun today because first time I've ridden in the back of this airplane. Okay, so I'm sitting in the back because Tanner conned Daddy into letting him sit in the front.
You agreed immediately.
I did agree because he gets sick, so we're letting him try it out. Anyway, hey G, say hey. All right, we're warming up. There's the animal. We're about ready to start. Getting the boys set up with their audiobooks. And then we're off.
Somebody pass that fifth to camp this way. I'll turn it up, down, up, down, up, down. We're just holding it down here in BFE. Still rolling around with a burner CD. Free bird, 5 minutes deep. Head bobbing up, down, up, down, up, down. We got what we got, we don't need the rest. Can turn this parking lot into a party with a nice chest and some cold beer, man. We live it up, down, we live it up, down, here.
We're here. Ready to go clamming?
I'm gonna go for 2.
2 kids that got sick. We had some little turbulent weather just coming in here, but
They got sick?
we're good. Let's see. Well, we made it. Looks like we're gonna move the plane. Y'all ready to go clamming?
Little sun left to burn in the blue sky, shining off the cross hanging from the mirror of my ride. The breeze blowing in, your hair blowing round. You scanning through the stations looking for that country sound. The good stuff iced up in the back seat. Nowhere to go, nowhere to be. I got my shades on, top back, rolling with the music jack. One on the wheel, one around you, baby.
Got here maybe half an hour ago. Finally have all the kids ready to go clamming, and Mom is always the last one. I think low tide is right about now, but last year when we were here, they didn't start coming in till the tide started coming back in. Or we didn't start seeing them till the tide started coming back in, so we'll see. I found evidence of 1 clam. All right, just got our first clam. Hopefully there's more to come. You seen any clams? Well, this is kind of wild. We are not having very much luck clamming today, which is really weird because we usually always do well at this spot. But the water's kind of high, even though it's low tide. There's a lot of standing water. So it might be hard to see, or probably it is hard to see where the clams might be. But I don't know, I'm not an expert. I'm just not seeing too many. We're gonna go check in with the rest of the crew that's here and see how they're doing. There's a clam hole. Nope, darn. What's up?
Nothing.
Here's our group. We're not having much luck. We're walking back to the plane because somebody has wet gloves and cold hands. All right, go find you some food. How's your burrito? Yeah? Do you have any luck? This is all we got today. Pretty slim pickings out here today. Maybe we'll just have to come on Tuesday or Wednesday. All right, lunchtime. Taking a break, keeping warm. All right, these kids are just hanging out. It's time to load up and leave. Everybody else is leaving. We're the last to go. Clamming wasn't so hot. We're on the way to go home.
Just trying to catch a good time, even if it takes all night. Pass that bottle around the campfire, sipping apple pie moonshine. Yeah, we picking on them guitars just right. Everybody singing Dixieland delight, like a popper on a wet line. We just trying to catch a good time. 80 degrees and the sun ain't even out. We got a spot a couple miles out of town.
We made it back. We were parking and I was getting Tanner out of the airplane and he puked all over my arm and on my leg. Yeah, no warning. So Dad had to pull the door off because he got a little bit on the door, but this is life when we fly.
Sipping apple pie moonshine. Yeah, we picking on them guitars.
Everything's out just for that day trip. That's everything we got to take. Okay, so we had to take the door off because we have to clean it because as soon as we landed, basically shut the engine down. Tanner was getting out and he pukes. But I'm gonna just point out these 3 barf bags right there, and then Tanner was sitting in the front and there's one right there. Only sometimes do they actually get it in the bag. All right, we're gonna go clean up the mess. Cleaning the door. All right, we got home. Got all the stuff out of the car. There it is. We might go clamming again on Wednesday. Try a different spot because we know some people that went to a different spot and did really well. So we may go again. We get to working on those pretty soon and clean them and make some ceviche or I don't know, maybe some pasta with clams in it. So we'll see. This is how we do it. Let them pop open. Put it in cold water. And we're gonna cut them open.
We are cleaning the clams right now. We sadly only got a grand total of 10 clams. Hunter, don't steal my brownie. I made these delicious brownies for the airplane.
Butt cakes.
Bunt cakes, not butt cakes, silly. None of them got eaten, so we're eating them right now. Gonna wait till just a couple seconds. Let's go. These are the ones that we're gonna slice up and
Tell me
eat.
what you're doing.
It's just like so finished by
Good time, good time, trying to catch a good time.